I form a new concept of God. We shall be changed in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye. 1 Corinthians 15:51-52. The power of God within you is a spiritual power, able to bring to you permanent peace, increasing happiness and joy, and greater material abundance. These things that have made men miserable can be eliminated through the conscious use of this power. God could not visit fear or hate or impoverishment upon us, because God transcends these things. The world needs a new concept of God. A new idea must be born in the minds of people everywhere about the nature of God and their relationship to this divine creative spirit. The only thing that can bring love, joy, peace, and prosperity to the world is a direct experience of the invisible. We must sense the immediate presence of life. With simplicity and directness, we must sense that the Spirit is at the center of our own lives. We must learn to recognize that it is at the center of all people and working in human affairs. While it is true that the power of God is always within us, it is not true that we have always realized its presence. To realize this is to be able to make conscious use of it, to direct it for ourselves and for others. I rely on my inner power to work with me in creating the kind of life I deeply desire. I know that within myself, I can find the guidance I seek and the strength I need. With love in my heart, knowing I am unbound and unlimited, I accept myself as a happy, healthy, strong, and successful person right here and now.